Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Soul of Study. Today I'm gonna here with compound words, and these words will help you lot in your speaking. So let's start. First one is God and Goddess. God and Goddess means Devi, Devata. Father and Mother. Father and Mother. Ma Bap. Land and water. Land and water. Jal Thal. Great and small. Great and small. Chota bada. Pain and pleasure. Pain and pleasure. Sukh dukh. Morning and evening. Sanj savere. Morning and evening. Sanj savere. Bread and butter. Makhan roti. Bread and butter. Makhan roti. Words and wits. Words and wits. Pashu Pakshi. Life and death. Life and death. Jeevan Maran. Day and night. Din Raat. Day and night. Din Raat. So these words are very important, and if you are interested in speaking English, then you can use these words for your speaking.